Hey guys, here's video number 2 of the thing, so it's not so long, so you're not stuck in there watching me on a 30-minute video. Okay, here's this one. We're doing another Bowman. Like I did the other. I kind of like it with the different parallels in it. And there we go. This is the one we're opening. Can you see that? Bowman. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7, and 1 extra. Feeling really quickly. None of them felt fat. Don't know if you can't remember if you get. I don't think you get patch cards. Yeah, you can. I got one in the last box. That was okay. Rookie right off the bat. Hopkins. Sheldon Richardson. Yeah, in the last box I didn't get one bear card if I remember correctly. What's up with that? Got 49ers and Packers. Even got some Giants. No dang Bears. In fact, I think I might have seen one Lion. Okay. First insert. Jordan, rookie. Gennard Bernardi, good rookie. Eddie Late, back-to-back running backs. Very nice. Patrick Rogers, wide receiver. Oh, yay! Makes my day. Not a great insert. Purple. But still nice. Matt Forte. And Julio Jones and Mike Williams. Put that over with the patch card. Next one. I hope I did hit record. Wouldn't surprise me if I didn't. It happens. Okay. Christine Michael. Chris Grobb. Rex Burkhead rookie. Another insert. Sean Williams rookie. Not numbered. Those purple ones aren't. Colin Kaepernick. And Dez Bryant. Pack didn't want to come open. And because it's got something in it. It got a little card. Alex Ogletree rookie. DJ Harper. Quentin Patton. 2 49ers. Andre Ellington. And a Logan Ryan mini. There you go. Phillip Rivers and Ty Hilton. 4 packs to go. Hey, hopefully I get a decent insert, or at least get some more better rookies. Yeah, there's another insert in orange. Zach, Tyler, Jonathan Banks, Marquise Goodwin, orange. Numbered 275 out of 299. Always like those. Ben, he's still in the bathroom. Tom Brady. That's like the other pack. They had Ben and Brady, if I remember correctly. Yeah, if you get a rookie low numbered something, can't go wrong with that. Don't even try his name. Trufant, Monty Ball, Rambo, Thomas, Victor Cruz, and another 2 to go. Looks like the top prime is going to be the winner in these 2 boxes, but 2 packs to go. You never know. Did get some rookies in here, though. Got a shiny blue one coming. Matt Scott. Banner. Sorensen. Brandon Jenkins. Numbered 93 out of $4.99. Nice shine to it. Jermichael Finley, Cam Newton, Larry Fitzgerald. I think I got one Bear card, and that was the Forte out of 2 boxes. And 2 different products. What the heck? What's going on, guys? Okay, got another insert. Colin Klein, Manos Snot, Marquise Gooden, Robert Lester. Okay, it's, what are those called? Next in line, Larry Fitzgerald. They're pretty looking. Given that, I got one in the last box I had. They don't go for a lot, but they are pretty looking. And Chris Long and Marshawn Lynch. Well, overall, the other box was much better. We're at 6 minutes. I'm going to put the last box on its own video. On to video 3.